D400 label printer operation video. Search LuckJingle in App Market or scan the QR code below to download. Back, power switch, power port, data port. Connect included power adapter. Turn on the back switch. Indicator on plus paper out beep. Open paper tray via side switch. Print head on top cover. Face printable side up to top cover. Slide paper guides for more sizes. Load paper print side up. Turn on the phone Bluetooth. Open app, connect printer via top right. Tap label printing. Choose preset sizes or enter manually. Select from creative templates. Choose content to print. Set print density. Set printing speed. Select print mode. Set copy number. Start printing. Replace with round label rolls. Adjust paper guides. Set label size. Set label shape to circular.